What is happening today, traders? Happy Saturday. And today we're going to be getting into MVIS, our girl Mavis. MVIS is a highly shorted stock, and it goes over, I believe it's virtual reality. Let's pretend that we have virtual reality glasses on. They have some kind of technology warranty around that or patent around that. And a lot of people are going to say that they're getting an acquisition or this investment is coming from a bigger company. But right now, all I care about is how stupid this falling wedge looks. It looks nasty. Nasty. It looks so gross in a good way. It looks gross in a good way. You peaked in 2021 during our meme craze squeeze back at 28, went all the way down to 2, up to 8 in 2023. And now you're looking to potentially either break out of this or tap it again and go further. Now, this micro falling wedge you've broken out of with some pretty extreme volume here on the daily. You're actually going back to retest the wedge and potentially a daily golden cross, which looks filthy. It looks absolutely disgusting considering that this is a high short interest stock. If you can get above this wedge and then do the same thing and retest, it is going to be sayonara suckers. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be so nice. Keeping in mind that you do have a gap fill there at $6. Make them holler. So that's very exciting on MVIS. So what we're looking for tomorrow, next week at open on Monday is either a full test of this 200-day EMA at 125 or a full test at 120 and a strong bounce at that, because if you don't bounce here and heavy volume for the sellers or the bears come in and then drop you below this wedge, you're going back in time to $1.15 or $1.12. Below that is $1.05, and you could totally trade sideways in this wedge, but you don't want to see it fall beneath, because that means bulls are not yet ready to take this thing higher. And if you do fall back beneath, I would anticipate further consolidation within this macro scale wedge, because you do have a lot of time within this falling wedge. You have all the way until 2026 and the end of 2026 at that. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing just absolutely dump. And so that's why you have to be careful. You have to look for this retest. And if you fell back beneath, personally, I would be out of my position, not financial advice. But we're talking stupid money here if you're able to make this move. I mean, like $12. I'd say a 12x, baby. That would be insane. That would be so stupid. And what I'd like to see is you're getting a daily golden cross on the daily time frame. On the weekly, you are flipping green on the weekly MACD, which we called in our previous video back a month ago. We said that this stock is about to flip green back at 140 or 114. Did I get into it? No, I didn't. But it was a good call. And people could have made a lot of money, about 50%. The 1 month candle doesn't look great. You want to close it higher. And then the quarterly are beginning to curl up for the first time. Holy Toledo. Curling up for the first time since 2006. It does look really good on the quarterly chart, this falling wedge. It gives perspective of just how long this wedge has been playing out. And I do honestly believe that you could go until the bottom of this wedge. But time will tell, guys. That's just a quick video update on MVIS, our girl MVIS. Please, if you found value in this update or this video, please drop a like, drop a follow. I appreciate you guys. God bless. Peace.